Okay. You know how to expand this?
Yeah.
How will you do? Tell me.
So a cubed.
Will you use combination or will you use Pascal's triangle?
I think I should use combination, but I can use both.
Both. So which one do you prefer?
I think I'll have to draw the triangle there. So I think using the other way would
Pascal's triangle.
not using Pascal.
Not Pascal. Okay. So tell me what are the terms?
So a cubed a squared plus a squared b1 negative b.
Negative 2b.
Sorry, negative. Sorry.
This was started last time also.
Yes,
Again,
yes.
yeah, I
Sorry,
remember.
negative 2b. So I thought it was b. I was reading it as b. And then, yeah. And then a minus 2b squared.
Yes, and
then minus 2b cubed.
Array? But this is not it. This is not it. You have to put 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. Don't forget that.
Yeah. And then
three things would be there.
Three things.
You'll have a combination, you'll have a coefficient.
Yeah.
You'll have a term in A, you'll have a term in B.
Yeah.
Now what is 3C0?
3C0. So that would be 3.
So now therefore sometimes it's easier to make Pascal's triangle. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. This is basically your 3C0. This is 3C1. This is 3C2 and this is 3C3.
Yeah, so it would be 8.
1. No,
sorry, it'd be 1, so it'd be
1 into A cube.
Yeah, 1 into A cube and then 3 into
plus 3 into A squared into minus 2B.
Yeah.
Plus 3 again, this is 3, correct? 3 into A into
minus 2B squared.
No. What is minus 2 squared?
So sorry, 2B squared.
4B squared.
Sorry, 4B squared. Sorry.
4B squared.
4B squared, yeah. Sorry, so you think I should just make it the Pascal's triangle?
Yeah, because you can make it. Otherwise, you'll have to find each of the C.
Yeah.
Okay, then this one.
And then this would be
3C3 is what?
3C3 would be 1.
1.
Times 8B cubed.
Minus 8B.
Minus 8B cubed. Yeah.
Because you're minus odd power.
Right.
Now, so what's your final answer therefore?
So A cubed plus
minus 6A square B.
6A squared B.
Why minus? Because plus into minus is.
Yeah, okay, wait. So then this would be 12AB squared
plus 12AB
plus
squared.
12AB squared. And then this would be minus 8B cubed. Yeah.
This one. Try this, let's see. Approach it. First of all, give yourself space.
Okay.
Okay. You draw the Pascal's triangle.
Yeah.
Now this raised to 4, this will be 1, 4, 4, 6. Correct? 3 plus 6, 4, 1. So 1, correct? 2x raised to 4.
Yeah.
Plus 4, 2x cube minus 3. Correct?
Yeah.
Plus 6, 2x square minus 3 square. Correct?
Yeah.
Plus 4, 2x minus 3 cube plus minus 3 raised to 4. So give yourself enough space.
Enough space, yeah.
Yeah. Now what do you do? Simplify. So 16x raised to 4. Now when you're writing this, 4 into simplify each term. This is 8x cube.
Yeah.
Correct? Minus 3. Plus this is 6. 4x square. 9. Correct?
Yeah.
Plus 4 into 2x.
Yeah.
Into minus 27 plus 81. So now you simplify this. So 16x raised to 4.
Yeah.
Minus. Now always when there's a negative sign, then the signs will be opposite.
Yeah.
Alternate. Yeah.
So this would be minus.
So 4 3s are 12. 12 8s are 96.
96.
X cube plus 6 4s are 24. 24 into 9. 9 4s are 36.
Yeah.
18, 19, 20, 21. 216.
216, yeah.
216 x square minus 27 into 8. 7 8s are 56, 8 2s are 16. Again 216.
216, yeah.
216 x
plus 81.
So if you have a minus sign, you can see that The signs are alternate, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus.
Yeah. I think the best thing would just be draw the Pascal triangle.
Draw a Pascal triangle, it will be faster than this one. Okay. Now, find the coefficient of x cube in the binomial expansion.
Yeah.
You know how to do this?
So I can look at Pascal's triangle, right?
Pascal's triangle will give you the coefficient. It won't give you the term.
So I would have to do it out until x cubed.
Now, there is a way of doing it. I don't know whether you've done that or not, but I'll tell you that way.
Okay.
See, if you look closely, if I write a plus b raised to n, can you tell me what will the terms be?
Terms,
a raised to n, correct?
A raised to n, yeah, plus ab.
So this is nc0, correct?
Yeah.
Plus nc1.
nc1, yeah.
A raised to
1.
N minus 1.
N minus 1, yeah.
B raised to 1.
1.
The power of A will keep on decreasing.
And the power of B will
keep on increasing. So your A starts with highest power, then it keeps on decreasing by 1.
By 1, yeah.
B, which starts with 0, B raised to 0 basically. This is, we don't write it.
And then it
keeps on increasing.
Yeah.
So B will keep on increasing.
Yeah.
Okay. Plus, next one.
Plus, so what would you do now? You do NC2 B.
A raised to, what are you doing?
Sorry, A n minus 2 B2.
Plus
NC3 A n minus 3 B to the 3.
Correct, and so on.
And so on, yeah.
Acha, how many terms would be there in the expansion? If I give you A plus B raised to n, there are how many terms in the expansion?
There can be as many.
No.
How many terms? As in.
So see, this was raised to 3.
3. So
when you do raised to 3, no. When they raised to 3, how many terms are there in the expansion?
4.
When they raised to 4, how many terms are there in the expansion?
5. So it's n plus. It's plus 1.
Yes. Don't forget that. That question is going to come in your test.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are whatever the power n plus 1 terms in the expansion.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one observation. Other observation. What do the powers of A and B add up to? Check.
They add up to 0.
They add up to 0. N minus 1 plus 1.
So it would be n. Just
n. Yeah. N minus 2
plus
B squared.
2 is just n.
So they add up to the term, the power of the terms add up to n.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is this NC2? Where is this? Which is similar to this? Is the power of B?
Yeah.
If this is 2, NC2, the power of B is 2.
2, yeah.
You understand
so
that?
It keeps on.
Acha, what is the power of A?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. So see, let me repeat. Let me repeat. The powers add up to n. The power of A will be n minus 1.
Yeah.
The power of B will be same as this.
It'll be the same.
Yeah. So if I want to write it generally, what do I write? So if I have a term NCR, if I generally want to write it, what will A be raised to and what will B be raised to?
So A would be raised to n minus 1.
Why 1?
It would just be n, right?
Check, look at this. It's NC1. What is A raised to?
A is raised to n minus 1.
NC2. What is A is raised to?
N minus 2.
So if NCR, what is A raised to?
N minus R.
Then? You're trying to generalize it. Look at the pattern.
Yeah.
Now, what is B raised to?
B is raised to. It would be.
Look at here. Look at on top.
2.
Why 2?
So if it's n minus R, so it just be R. Oh, I see. So this is the theory of this is the.
Yeah, this is your formula for TR plus 1. This is a formula for the general term of an expansion.
Yeah.
Now I don't know whether you've done this or not. This is a general term of an expansion, but this is how you write.
Yeah.
Means you don't have to write the entire expansion. you can simply write a general term. That's where the next sum comes from. Now this is going to come in your test.
100%.
Like see, find a coefficient of x cube in the binomial expansion.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's my A?
3x.
What's B?
-4.
What is N?
N is to the 5.
Okay, now listen.
Yeah.
So I'll write a formula, NCR, learn this formula, A raised to N minus R, B raised to R. Okay, that's my formula.
Yeah.
That's my formula. I'll write on the side.
Yeah.
So that means there'll be N is 5. C, I don't know what R is so far. 3x and -4.
Yeah.
Now I want a x cube, coefficient x cube.
Yeah.
So if I put a 3 here,
that would make it cube. That would make the first term.
So x cube I'll get?
X cube, yeah.
I'm getting x cube?
Yeah.
What should I put here?
Would you also put cube? Where are you asking? At -4?
At -4.
You would put
And here we put 3. What will you put at -4?
You would put R, right? So what is R in this situation?
We don't know what R is.
Yeah.
But I've told you something else.
N plus 1.
Arey yaar, what n plus 1 Rohan? What are you saying here? You please understand what you're doing. What is this plus this they add up to? First you said 0.
N.
Why n plus 1 you're saying now?
Sorry, N, yes.
This is n minus 2 and 2, so this add up to n.
N.
So if this is 3, what should this be?
Oh, to the 5. Because that's n on its own is 5. So if you do, would you do 3 minus 1?
Arey Baba, this plus this should add up to n. And n is 5.
Oh, so 2.
Obviously it has to be 2, no? Because they add up to 5.
Yeah.
Now if this is 2, this will also be 2.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you use that number to...
Yeah, this is coming straight here. The beta power is what we are using here.
We don't...
So how did you get this 3?
You got this 3 because...
From the question. We want x cube.
The x cube term, yeah.
How did you get this 2?
From 5 minus 3. Because
correct, because they should add up to?
It's 5.
5.
Add up to 5.
How did you get this 2?
You got this 2 from the R value.
Yes.
I see now.
Now you're working this out. So what is 5c2? You know the formula? 5n factorial.
Yeah, and then 3 factorial.
R factorial, n minus R factorial. Yeah. Correct? Into, what is this? Tell me.
3x cubed would be 27x cubed.
This irritates here. Into 27x cubed.
Yeah.
Into
16.
Now, what is 5 factorial?
5 times 4 times
3 factorial. Yeah. Correct? Divided by 2. This 3 factorial. This 3 factorial cancels out. Into 27x cubed into 16.
So it would be 10.
2 you can cancel this out. So 5 2s are 10. Correct?
So it would be
10 into 27 into 16 x cubed. Then you can multiply.
So it would be
27 into 16. 7 6 are 42. 12 16. 2 7 2 13. Correct?
Yeah.
4 3 2 0. 4 3 2 0 x cubed.
I see.
So you don't have to do the entire expansion.
You can just look at it from ends using A, B, and N and finding R.
Yeah.
And R. Okay.
This is the old notation for 11CA. So basically they've given you 11CA is equal to 11 factorial, A factorial, 9 factorial.
Yeah. So I could do 11 times 10 times 9. So then...
What's the formula for NCR?
NCR is n factorial upon n minus
R factorial. Right. N minus R factorial.
N minus R factorial.
Now, what do these two add up to?
these should add up to R factorial.
How?
Or the N factorial.
N. These two add up to N.
Yeah.
So if this is 9 and this is A factor, what should A be?
2. Oh.
Are you following? Sometimes you don't have to solve, you know, observe.
Yeah.
You don't have to solve, you have to observe what it is. Because they'll add up to, these two add up to, forget the factor, these two terms will add up to N.
Yeah.
They're like the powers of A and B adding to N.
Yeah.
So similarly, these two add up to N.
Yeah.
So if this is A and this is 9 and this is 11, so this add up to A is 2. That's it.
Yeah.
Now this is simple. This can come in exam.
Yeah. These simple trick questions.
Okay. Chalo. So first part is your A plus 9 will add up to 11.
Yeah.
So your A is 2. Correct? So that we go. Yeah. Hence, otherwise find the coefficient of x, term in x raised to 9. You want a term in x raised to 9.
Yeah.
And of this. Yeah. Now, if you expand this, how many terms would be there?
This?
If you expand x plus 3 raised to 11, how many terms?
It was n plus 1, right?
So how many terms would be 12. There? 12. Now, one way of doing it is you write all the 12 terms and you pick the term which is x raised to 9.
Which is lots of effort. Lots
of effort. If worst case scenario, you can do that.
I can do that.
You don't simplify each term.
And I would do that using Pascal's triangle.
Pascal's triangle, it will be very long.
Yeah, but it's fine.
It's fine. But you'll get your marks. Yeah. But I mean, it's not a good way of doing it.
Yeah. Time
what you have to do is you write your n. What's your n?
N is
11. A
is
x. B
3.
Now you have A and you have B.
Yeah.
You have N, C, R, we don't know.
Yeah.
Now this is where everything begins. What power of x do you want?
9.
So I'll put 9 over here.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah. And then
what should I put here?
2.
What should I put here?
2.
That's it.
Yeah, I was doing it right.
Now when you simplify this, what will this be? 11 factorial.
Yeah.
9 factorial. 2 factorial. Correct? Into x raised to 9 into 3 square is 9.
Yeah.
Now 11 factorial is 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. Correct?
Yeah.
9 factorial. 2 factorial is 2.
Yeah.
X raised to 9 into 9.
Yeah.
So 9 factorial goes off.
Yeah.
2 5s are 10 goes off.
Yeah.
So 55 into 9.
Yeah.
55 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 49. Correct?
Yeah.
So 495. Yeah?
Yeah, 495x. So this is 9. Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
I was getting it.
Good. We'll check your answer. I'll do it. So your first part is correct. So Pascal's triangle is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay?
Yeah.
Then, now your n is equal to 5. Correct? A is equal to 2x. B is equal to 3. Now I want x raised to 3.
Yeah.
If I want x raised to 3. Now this is your, basically this is your 5c0. Correct? This is 5c1, this is 5c2, 5c2 is 10, 5c3 is 10, 5c4 is 5, 5c5 is back to 1.
Yeah.
This is nothing but either you do Pascal triangle or that.
Yeah.
Now this will be n, c, r we don't know, a is raised to we don't know, and 3. Now we want raised to 3, so 3. So this should be 2, then this will be 2. Now 5c2 is 10, here from this we can see. 5 says 10 into 8x cube into 9. 9 is the 720x cube.
Nice. You did it quicker, but
your n is 7, your a is x, your b is k. Correct?
Yeah.
Now your formula is NCR, so NCR we don't know. Correct? A raised to and b raised to. Correct?
Yeah.
Now I want x raised to 5 in the question.
Yeah.
So I'll put 5. So what will this become? This will become k square.
It's always k squared.
Because
7 minus 5. Because
these plus 5. This will add up to 7.
Yeah.
The power of a, that's what we've been saying since beginning.
Yeah.
So don't forget that. That's a key thing. So this plus this should add up to 7.
Add up to 7, yeah.
Now if this is 2, this will also be 2.
Yeah.
Correct?
Right, yeah.
So what is 7c2? 7 factorial.
Factorial upon 5 factorial upon 2 factorial.
Correct? K square.
Yeah.
X raised to 5. Now what is 7 factorial? 7 into 6 into 5 factorial.
Yeah. Upon 5 factorial.
5 factorial into 2.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
K square x raised to 5.
Yeah.
2 3s are 6. 7 3s are 21. K square x raised to 5.
That's it. No, find the possible value.
Now therefore what is the coefficient of x raised to 5?
63.
Therefore, here what is the coefficient of x raised to 5? From what we got?
From 21.
No. 21k square.
21k squared, yeah, sorry.
So therefore, 21k square is 63 because they've given it 63.
Right, yeah. So
k square is equal to 63 divided by 21, which is 3. So k square is equal to 3. Therefore, k is equal to plus or minus root 3.
Square root.